Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of triple integrals with some concrete examples. If you're new to my channel, welcome aboard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description for similar videos. Let's dive in. Triple integral of xy squared plus x radical z plus 4xz cubed dx dy dz. To solve it, we divide the integral into parts. So this is the first one, which is equal double integral of x squared y squared over 2 plus x squared radical z over 2 plus 2x squared z cubed dy dz with x equal 1 and 5. Now we evaluate the x to get this answer. Next, we solve the second integral, so it will be equal to integral of 4y cubed plus 12y radical z plus 48yz cubed dz with y equal 2 and 4. And again, we evaluate to get this answer. Equal 224z plus 16z power 3 over 2 plus 24z power 4 with z equal 1 and 4. And the final answer equals 6,904. Now let's move on to the next example. So triple integral of x squared plus y squared plus z squared dx dy dz. Again, we start by the first one, which is equal to double integral x cubed over 3 plus xy squared plus xz squared dy dz with x equal 1 and 4. And we evaluate to get this answer. Now, the second integral with respect to y, equal integral from 0 to 2 of 21y plus y cubed plus 3yz squared dz with y equals z and 2. And we evaluate again to get integral from 0 to 2 of 5 plus 6z squared minus 21z minus 4z cubed dz equal 50z plus 2z cubed minus 21z squared over 2 minus z power 4 with z equals 0 and 2. And the final answer is 58.